This is stock number 124241. It is a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche LS. It is black in color. This vehicle has a 5.3 liter V8 married to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look at the interior. Got your door locks, window switches, mirror control. It's your headlight control, 4-wheel drive control. We have steering wheel controls for the cruise, as well as your phone and radio. AM/FM stereo with CD player. It's your climate control. Got a 12-volt auxiliary power outlet, also integrated USB port, traction control. Vehicle comes with OnStar. Interior color is ebony, and the upholstery is cloth. Vehicle is flex fuel compatible, also comes with a trailering tow package. Let's take a look at the rear passenger area. Rear of the vehicle has seating capacity for 3. There's a center armrest with 2 cup holders. There's also 2 cup holders by your feet. Once again, this is stock number 124241. It is a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche LS, and it is black in color.